How to fix "this site can't be reached" error. Firstly, you need to make sure that your network connection is working. Make sure that you have a strong connection. If your current network is lagging, then make sure to forget the network and re-add the same network or try it with a different one. Now give your device a quick restart. Sometimes minor issues like this can be fixed with a simple restart. Now go to the web browser and check your URL. Even a small mistake on the URL does matter. So make sure that you recheck the URL and confirm that it's correct. Now tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and scroll down. Click on Settings at the bottom. Now select the option Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data and make sure to select All Time. Now click on the option Delete Data at the bottom to delete data and cache on the browser. If you have any other web browser available, then make sure to check on other web browsers. Sometimes some web browsers might not work. You can also try to check on different devices to see if that works. That's all for today. Thank you.